So the West Indies suffering another embarrassing defeat on the Indian tour is not news. I mean, the West Indies losing is expected, except for when them ears to the Maverick bet and them want to spite me. But for God's sake, man, we are the defending World T20 champions. We're not supposed to get your teeth kicked out like this. The kind of utter brainlessness I saw from the West Indian batsmen. Look, for example, at these two top order batsmen racing into the same crease to run out them one another. This was done cricket. Even after losing early wickets, the man them still a play a shutter ball and are out the same full way. No semblance of thinking about the cricket. And to cap off the daftness, take a look at Ravman Powell's dismissal. The spinner threw up one outside half stump. Ravman swish and miss. The Indian them appeal. But by the time the umpire raised his finger, Ravman gone like him have a plane for catch. Television replay showed that the ball was nowhere near the bat, and the sound came from the bat hitting Powell's boot. But Ravman rushed off on the field without using the available referral. The man decided to say, oh, me can't read this spinner here. So me got Anybody who knows anything about cricket knows that a batsman knows the difference between when he play the ball and when he missed the ball by 3 or 4 inches and the bat touch him on a boot. Anyway, just like Ravman Powell, the Maverick have to run.